Alright guys, this is Mad Clown Cards. Mad Clown Cards on Breaker TV. This is break number 3. Playbook, 5 boxes. Good luck to everybody sent it. Thank you for everybody that joined. Let's see what kind of fun we get ourselves into. Everybody can see, right? Just like to make sure. Say tear it up. See what we got. Look like we got some thick packs, guys. Alright, ladies and gentlemen. Ladies and gentlemen, here we go. Alright, good luck all. Number 299, Drew Brees and Mark Ingram. Going to have a bad year this year, but congratulations to the Saints. Chad, SO1. And for your Carolina Panthers, we have Cam Newton, Funchies, and Benjamin, number 199. Probably going to have a better year than the Saints. I believe Chad, SO1, has the Panthers. Congratulations. Next hit, number 99, Todd Gurley. Question is it autographed? Yep, it is. Todd Gurley autograph. Congratulations, Rams. I think that goes to Frank. I don't know if you're here or not, but congratulations. All right. Next up, Tom Brady Gronk for the Patriots. Number 299 goes out to Patrick. Next up for the Jaguars, number 199, Rasheem Green. Not autographed for the Jags. Next up for the Broncos, Cody Latimer. It is number 49. And it is auto. Goes out to Patrick. Congratulations, Patrick. Next up for the Bengals, A.J. Green and Jeremy Hill. Number 299 for the Bengals. I believe Larry has the Bengals. Next hit, Kevin Johnson, number to 199 for the Houston, Texas Draft Edition. And looks like Play to Win has another hit for the Packers. I don't know if he's here or not, but I believe he has the Packers Play to Win. Number 199, Todd Montgomery. Jersey has some kind of stain on it right there. I'm not sure what that is. Congratulations, Play to Win. I think you had the Packers. That's what I was thinking. I just didn't want to say it. Oh my. If this one's autographed, somebody hit goal. Somebody hit goal. If I don't know which one's autographed, but let's start here. Don't know if it's autographed. For the Packers, Aaron Rodgers, Jordy Nelson, number 199. For the New York Giants, number to 199, Landon Collins for the New York Giants. I think the next card's autographed because this David Johnson, man, that is not. Number 99, David Johnson for the Cardinals. That goes to Slick Bob. Congratulations. And number to 49, Todd Gurley. Nope, not autographed. I thought it would be. Todd Gurley, number to 49 for the Rams. And our last pack is pretty thick. You got a Ty Montgomery autograph. Play to Win. For the Steelers, Jerome Bettis and Rod Woodson. I don't know which one's autographed, but we got two books. I don't know if they autographed or not. Sammy Watkins for the Bills. Hot Routes. Jersey's a little 30. And don't know which one's autographed, so let's show this one first. Number 199 for the Bears. For the Bears, Jeremy Lanford, and it is autographed. For the Bears. I forgot who had the Bears, but the Bears got a hit. And for the next team, for the Dolphins, number 199, Devontae Parker, and it's not autographed. And there you go. That is it for that 5 boxes of Playbook. Thank you for joining. If you joined, congratulations if you got a hit. And if you didn't, sorry.